Class 9th BISE Exercise 1.5 question number 5 de mangsara if A is equal to 2, 0, minus 3, 1 and B is equal to 1, minus 1 and 3. Find mangsara pagidi ke 3 40 find AB multiplication and BA multiplication and then A inverse and B inverse. Aur akhir ke mangta which show that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse minus into A inverse and B A whole inverse is equal to A inverse and B inverse. Mangba first the product of AB point kuno AB products mangsa part number first which is equal to AB mangsara matrix A which is equal to 2 0 minus 3 1 and multiply matrix B 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 3. The post multiply ko multiplication man details are discussion kare dera mangsa badina rashi 2 multiply 1 2 plus 0 minus 2 plus 0 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 plus 3. उस मंगा दा संग मल्टीप्लाई को मंगा दा रो दे कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करा ब्याम द सेम दा रो दे कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करा ब्याम मंगा दा रो दे कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई को ब्याम दे कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करा मंगा सारा दार आले दा सो कोरियल ता -3 मल्टीप्लाई -1 plus 3 and 1 multiply 3 plus 3 दा मंगा सारा ले दा दिना मंगा सारा ले A B which is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 and 6. उस पर मंगा पर पार्ट नंबर 2 के मंग सारा दे बी ए मंगा मैट्रिक्स बी वुली को which is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 3 and matrix A which is equal to 2 0 minus 3 and 1 दा मंग सबराशी 1 multiply 2 2 minus 1 multiply minus 3 plus 3 पर मंग सराशी 1 multiply 0 0 minus 1 multiply plus 1 which is equal to minus 1 दा देना बराशी minus 1 multiply 2 minus 2 3 multiply minus 3 minus 9 minus 1 multiply 0 0 3 multiply 1 3 then musarale BA which is equal to 5 minus 1 minus 11 and 3 da musarale the AB product musara AB rale or BA product musarale part number 3 ki which A inverse and B inverse find ki mangba fela A inverse find ko part number 3 which is equal to A inverse. Now A inverse pa barabar shi adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Ito manga equation number 1 hua yu. Pehla pa manga adjoint determinant of A find ko determinant of A manga barabar de determinant of A which is equal to 2 0 minus 3 and 1. Then manga sarashi determinant of A which is equal to 2 minus 0. Then sarale determinant of A which is equal to 2. Dagashan bawas manga the adjoint of A find kuno adjoint of A mangsa barashi adjoint of A which is equal to 1 2 3 and 0 uspa adjoint of A and determinant of A manga pa equation number 1 ke put kuno mangsa barashi A inverse which is equal to 1 0 3 2 divided by determinant of A which is equal to 2. Among a final answer rashi A inverse which is equal to 1 by 2 1 0 3 and 2. Among sarale A inverse us padi ke mangsara part 2 chikam de part 3 ke mangsara second part de B inverse which is equal to adjoint of B divided by B determinant. Among sara the B determinant is barabar rahe 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 3 which is equal to 3 minus 1 which is equal to 2. Determinant of B among sara 2 rahe us pe adjoint of B among sara barabar rashi adjoint of B which is equal to 3 1 1 and 1. उस बमंगा adjoint and determinant बमंग रावालू और पर equation number पदी equation के बमंगा फट को नमंग सरबराशी B inverse which is equal to adjoint 3 1 1 divided by determinant divided by 2. So B inverse which is equal to 1 by 2 and 3 1 1 1 मंग सरा B inverse rale 1 divided by 3 1 1 and 1. Bia end ke mang sawai show that show that AB multiplication is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Mang sara ragale de the AB multiplication mang so chi A and B whole inverse which is equal to B inverse and A inverse. AB matrix manga calculate ko aga mang sa barabar rale AB which is equal to 2 minus 4 and 6. 2 minus 2 minus 4 and 6 was pamanga the AB whole inverse find kuramang sarashi adjoint of AB and determinant of AB. AB matrix mang sara dare the pamanga adjoint of ya determinant find ko mang badumbe the determinant find ko determinant of AB which is equal to among Sarashi 12 minus 8 which is equal to 4. Determinant of AB which is equal to 4 and adjoint of AB which is equal to 6, 2, 4 and 2. The most adjoint of AB rale adjoint and determinant barawalu au padi equation ke me put ko. Sarashi final AB whole inverse which is equal to adjoint of AB is equal to 6, 2, 4 and 2 divided by determinant of AB which is equal to 4. Sara 4 ragale de diya boss manga further simplify ku AB whole inverse which is equal to 1 divided by 4 and 6, 2, 4 and 2. The mang sarale the left hand side na us pamanga right hand side rawalu chimang sara find ko also AB whole inverse which is equal to B inverse into A inverse manga da find ko chimang sara rale 1 divided by 4 6 2 2 4 and 2 AB whole inverse which is equal to 1 divided by 4 6 2 4 and 2 us pamanga find ko B inverse into A inverse. B inverse mang sara matrix B inverse mang find kare the B inverse mang sa barabar the 1 divided by 2 B inverse which is equal to 1 divided by 2 3 1 1 3 1 1 3 1 1 1 and matrix A inverse which is equal to 1 by 2 A inverse mang sa barabar the 1 by 2 and 1032 103 and 2 so da multiply ko da khapal mes ke multiply ko sabarashi 1 divided by 4 us da matrix multiply ko 3 1 1 and 103 and 2 the among sarashi B inverse into A inverse which is equal to 1 divided by 4 matrix multiplication simple row and column which is equal to 3 multiply 1 3 1 multiply 3 3 3 multiply 0 0 1 multiply 2 2 1 multiply 1 1 1 multiply 3 3 1 multiply 0 0 1 multiply 2 which is equal to 2 delta mang sarazi 1 multiply 1 delta mang sara minus 1 delta mang sara minus 1 mang sara final din rashi 1 divided by 4 6 2 2 and 2 among sara the BA multiplication naragale 6 2 4 2 nadina among sara shi 4 among sara rale 3 3 na 6 0 2 na 2 1 plus 3 na 4 0 plus 2 na 2 final answer among sarale 1 divided by 4 6 2 4 and 2 da among sarale the B inverse into A inverse among sara da givenu chis da show kolu chi A B whole inverse which is equal to B inverse into A inverse among sara the A inverse and B inverse the B inverse into A inverse among sarale 1 divided by 4 6 2 and 4 2 or the AB whole inverse نمنگ سر راغلی دی the AB whole inverse which is equal to 1 divided by 4 6 2 and 4 2 6 2 and 4 2 6 2 and 4 2 نمنگ سر راغلی hence it true that left hand side is equal to right hand side. پدې کې چې موږ سره کوم دی B into A whole inverse is equal to A B inverse into A inverse دا تاسو په خپل دا فاینډ کړئ دا ورټ په خپل فاینډ کړئ.